I can't even imagine our ability to scale without Optimum. They sent a team down here to Dallas, and we just spent probably 2 days in a room, filled whiteboards with what our current process flow looked like. When we saw everything written out, that was an aha moment, like, wow, this is very complex. There's probably a lot of waste in here, and it was a great opportunity to then start eliminating waste.
Optimum was the right partner for that, to understand our workflow, our business, and then offer us the best insights into how their solution could fit around our business. With Optimum and Smartsheet, we really took advantage of the project management features as well as the control center, and it was trying to make sure we integrated our existing systems with the process so we were reducing the amount of duality of work.
It just allows people to work more efficiently. They can come in, they can look at their book of business and understand what they need to do, what's expected of them, and then they can execute.